Hey guys, welcome back to MJBizzCon 2023. One of the really big themes this year is automation and scaling. There are a lot of really big automated solutions. This one does packaging. It can replace up to 20 employees at once. This is definitely a way to get industrial cannabis produced and save on time and labor. And then on my left-hand side here, you see really large-scale extraction vessels, all ASME certified, UL listed. This stuff can do up to 40 pounds of cannabis at once. And then just beyond that, you see Leafy Pack, more automated solutions. So constantly moving, constantly replacing hands, keeping things going. Really, really big solutions this year. So again, packaging, look at the size of this thing. Easily a $500,000 solution. Financing is available for some of these as well. Check out the companies from this year's MJBiz and contact those of us at Cannaspire for more information on how automation and scaling could potentially help you take over the cannabis market. Hey, Warren Harris here, VP of Regulatory Compliance from Cannaspire. We are looking at some equipment for hash making and hash labs today, and I am joined by Hemp Industries here, Mr. Levi. Hi there, Levi. Let's go ahead and start with this Osprey over here.
Yeah, so this is the mini Osprey. The Osprey came out about 3 years ago. The question that we've been asked so many times is, can you make a smaller one and a cheaper one? So that's exactly what we did. This is 30 gallons. This is $6,000, whereas its big brother is $28,500. But it runs on the LT3 heat controller from the rosin presses. So you can take your controller from your rosin press, throw it on your mini Osprey, and control it right there. But it's got the same patented square shape, no shear impeller, all that good stuff.
Awesome. So show me this larger Osprey.
So that is kind of our bread and butter for the last 3 years now. So up here is going to be the Osprey. This is the ice water extraction vessel. So you've got that square shape, and you're getting that, you're disrupting that vortex in the corners and constantly churning top over bottom. So that's one thing that makes this thing special.
Is this agitating the hash so it shakes it, or?
Yeah, so this is dewatering the hash. So basically you pour, once it's all separated, you pour it right through here. It collects all of your hash, and then you recirculate that water back up into the main tank.
And it stays cold because you're recirculating it, so...
Yep.
Right.
Yep, that's the green way of doing things.
Yep. And then we're going over into the freeze dryer from the hash maker over here.
Yep.
Which is cool because really, you guys know, Harvest Right has been... Oh, this is a Harvest Right.
This is Harvest Right. I custom wrapped this with gold, like a gold vinyl wrap.
Beautiful.
Just to kind of put some eyes on it. Today we're demonstrating Hashi's device. So this connects into the PCB and sends signals over text and email to let you know if anything goes wrong with it.
And so then once that hash comes out of the freeze dryer, it goes to their presses where they have a number of solutions. This, I would guess, would be the more affordable option with the pneumatic jack, right?
Yep, so that's just a hydraulic hand pump.
There you go.
3x5.
And then over here, you've got the foot pump ones, right? So
this 4x7 is still a hand pump.
Okay.
But this is what we call the Medusa. So this is linking all four of them together, and one operator can sit here and run 4 presses at a time.
Wow, one operator, 4 presses, folks. So you can really smash some rosin. One guy just bags it up, preps it all, gets it all ready to go into the press. And so then you've got your rosin, you've got your hash. They've got a packaging solution as well. Tell me a little about this, Levi.
Yeah. So I'd say this is the first of its kind. This is a concentrate dispenser. You can select anywhere from 0.5 gram to 5 grams of concentrate. We've got a little video preview here, and you can see what's happening. We're dispensing, and then we've got a cutoff wire that slices that material and gives us a clean cut. so it gives us a nice little dollar. So you've got an integrated scale down here at the bottom, and you just drop that jar on, it weighs it, tears it, dispenses, it cuts off, and then weighs it again up here.
Can this do rosin, or is it just cold water and keef and stuff?
Oh, it's most resins, so
okay.
Live resin, so BHO,
wow,
rosin, cold cures, batters, all kinds of materials.
That's really cool. You guys have some wonderful, affordable solutions. They're practical, they make sense to me, and they're not the biggest, most expensive, beastly. $70,000 turnkey, and it de-waters it and agitates it. That's a great practical deal for people that just want to get to washing.
And
so
that's a lot more than what you see here. This is all your ice water management. That's chillers, pumps, plumbing. It's a ton of stuff. So
awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for all this info today, Levi, and I'll definitely be sending some manufacturers your way, bud.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Hey, I'm Bex. I'm with Cannaspirations. I'm here with Mitch from PreRoll-ER. He's going to tell us about their pre-rolling machine.
Hey, how's it going? So this is our flagship machine. It's called our PR200. This machine is designed to output about 1,200 pre-rolls per hour, on average between 120 and 140,000 per month. So I'll run you through how it works.
Absolutely.
Start. You would have about a pound of pre-ground material. It starts goes right into this hopper. Bring you right around here. Excuse me. So the first step of the process, as the flower comes through this hopper, it stops on your scale right here. That's preset into here. You have your recipes. Half gram, full gram, whatever you want to do, we can make it happen. As it goes through, the flower comes into this cup down here. This will rotate 180 degrees and drop down this chute. That black pin right there, it's going to compact about 4 or 5 times as the flower comes up, so you have nice even compaction all the way through. In the meanwhile, this tray in the back, that's where the cones are fed through. So an arm brings the cones down to this carousel at the bottom. After it's compacted, it comes to this station right here. The top of your cone has the greatest surface area, so that's going to give it one more stamp to make sure everything's even. It's going to bring it to this next station right here, which grabs your cone, and it twists the top. Then it comes over here and cuts that twist off, and it Dutch crowns it, and I'll show you the finished product over here.
Your operator fully trained in there?
So then the machine is spitting out 1,200 of these per hour. Dutch crowned, perfectly compacted.
That's beautiful. Thank you so much, Mitchell.
My pleasure.
Great machine. Thank you.
Hey, Warren Harris here, Vice President of Regulatory Compliance at Cannaspirations, and I am joined today by Griffin of VOLTGrow, and we're here to talk about some of their lighting solutions. They're new and sort of disrupting the lighting solution scenario in cannabis. So thank you so much for joining me, Griffin. Yeah. So tell me about this fixture. How many watts, what square footage, what size is this meant to cover?
Absolutely. So this is a 750 watt fixture. It's designed for 4x4 and 5x5 areas. It has individually rotatable LED bars.
That's really cool.
One other really unique feature is they are fully hot swappable. So with the fixture still on, if a bar goes out, you can pop one out, grab a replacement from the back, and pop it right back in, so you can be up and running with zero downtime. The driver is fully modular, so you can, if there's any issues there, easy maintenance and replacement. Everything is IP66 rated, and the driver itself is IP67 rated. It uses the 0 to 10 volt dimming protocol, so compatible with any controller available on the market. And it's just a really great platform. And one other really unique feature is we have power pass-through, so when you're setting up your fixture, you can have the power cord connect to the frame here, and you can have one side go in here and one side go out the other side of the frame to the next fixture.
So daisy chaining them all together at that point. I wish you all could feel how cool this is. So this is one of the things I tell people is LEDs are wonderful because if your HVAC ever goes out, you're not going to lose the crop because high pressure sodium bolts are so hot, you're doomed within a day. So this, even more modular, right? You can even swap out the driver. A lot of these modern LED fixtures, they're not so easy to do your own maintenance and repair on. So hot swappable, if one of these bars goes out, you're back in the race as quick as possible. And guys, the pricing on this is highly, highly competitive. It can be $1,200 or over $1,000 for some of the bigger competitors in the industry. They're letting these go at $600 and $700 a fixture, which at bulk quantities makes a huge difference. And they were even telling me about a wonderful program to do a 90-day trial, see if you love it, see if the harvest comes out the way you want it. They're pretty confident it will, and then when you're done, keep rocking on their lights from there. So guys, check them out. VOLTGrow 720 watt LED fixture. They're out here to disrupt the lighting industry.
Hey, Beck Selman here with Cannaspire. I'm here with Michael of Contempo Specialty Packaging, and he's going to tell us about the sustainable packaging options for the cannabis industry.
All right, thanks for having me. So a couple options I want to show you right now. A lot of sustainability is about removing plastic. So item number one, glass jar, all metal, child resistant lid. So beautiful quality, all metal, no plastic, CR lid. That's number one. Number two, we'll go down here. Let's say you don't want the metal for some reason, glass jar. This is not plastic. This is a home compostable bioresin that can be made black using organic charcoal. So that's option number two there. We have so many options around sustainability. It's been our passion and our focus. I'll give you one more. Think about this as like a board pop top. It's a CR board tube, opens like a pop top, but it reduces 80% of the plastic involved, food grade liner on the inside. So these are just a couple of the options. Thanks, Beck, for giving us a shout out here.
Thanks, Michael.
All right,
See you.
Appreciate it.
Hey, I'm Beck Selman here with Cannaspire. We are talking to Centurion Trimmers today, and we've got Travis here. He's going to tell us about the machinery.
Hey, I'm Travis with Centurion Pro. This is the DBT4. This is one of our highest volume dry batch trimmers. Can trim up to 106 pounds per hour of dry flower. So, this is a pretty large scale machine, not for every operation, but it gets through a lot of material. We have it set up today with a sorting kit in. So this machine can be used both as a trimmer and then converted over with this conversion kit to be used as a sorter, which basically gives you 4 different sizes. You get kind of like shake, mint, smalls, and then A buds coming out the end. But very accurate sorting, and it sorts at about the same rate it trims. So you should be able to sort about 100 to 120 pounds an hour, and it can trim about 100 pounds an hour.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Travis.
Yeah, no worries at all, man. Thank you.